Once upon a time, in the year 2150, a brilliant scientist named Dr. Amelia Hartley made an astonishing discovery, an incredible breakthrough in the field of temporal physics. She had successfully invented a time machine capable of transporting a person through different eras and dimensions. Fueled by her insatiable curiosity and a desire to explore the mysteries of the past, Dr. Hartley embarked on a thrilling journey as the world's first time traveler. With her trusty invention, a sleek silver capsule that could travel through time, Dr. Hartley set off on her inaugural trip. The machine hummed with energy as it activated, and within moments, she found herself transported back to the year 1865 during the American Civil War. Eager to witness history firsthand, Dr. Hartley stealthily observed the decisive Battle of Gettysburg, watching in awe as soldiers fought valiantly for their causes. She felt the earth shake under her feet and smelled the acrid smoke of gunpowder as she hid behind a rocky outcrop. As she explored various time periods, Dr. Hartley began to realize the delicate balance of time travel. The smallest actions had the potential to create ripple effects throughout history. She witnessed the rise and fall of civilizations, the triumphs, and the tragedies, always careful not to interfere with the timeline she observed. During one of her journeys, she stumbled upon an enigmatic artifact, an ancient amulet that emanated a mysterious energy. Intrigued by its power, Dr. Hartley decided to bring it back to her own time for further examination. Unbeknownst to her, the amulet possessed the ability to disrupt the fabric of time itself. Back in the present, Dr. Hartley noticed subtle changes in the world around her. Historical events she had observed no longer unfolded as she remembered, and she found herself in an alternate reality. The amulet had inadvertently altered the course of history, leading to unforeseen consequences. Determined to restore the timeline she knew, Dr. Hartley embarked on a perilous quest to correct the past and undo the damage caused by the amulet. With her time-traveling expertise, she ventured into key moments of history, aiming to make crucial interventions to set things right. In her quest, Dr. Hartley encountered fellow time travelers from different eras, each with their own motivations and agendas. Some sought to reshape history for personal gain, while others aimed to preserve its integrity. Allies and adversaries emerged as she navigated a web of paradoxes and alternate timelines. As Dr. Hartley delved deeper into her mission, she discovered that the amulet's power had attracted the attention of a clandestine organization known as the Temporal Guardians. This secretive group, dedicated to maintaining the stability of time, believed that Dr. Hartley's actions threatened the very fabric of reality. They pursued her relentlessly, hoping to seize the amulet and prevent any further disruptions. Caught between her own pursuit of restoring the timeline and the relentless pursuit of the Temporal Guardians, Dr. Hartley found herself facing increasingly difficult choices. She had to reconcile her desire to correct the course of history with the potential consequences of her actions. With the combined efforts of Dr. Hartley, the Temporal Guardians, and the amulet's unique properties, they managed to restore the timeline to its original state. The world returned to normal, and history unfolded as it should have. Having learned valuable lessons about the delicate balance of time and the consequences of tampering with history, Dr. Hartley vowed to continue her explorations responsibly. She became a guardian of time, using her knowledge and experience to ensure the preservation of the timeline for future generations. And so, the time traveler's journey continued, with Dr. Amelia Hartley venturing into the annals of history, guided by a newfound reverence for the past and a profound understanding of the power of time.